Hey guys, in this video, I want to share a strategy that has made me the most amount of money as a Forex trader. Now, if you're very familiar with ICT smart money concepts, then obviously this is going to be the strategy for you, because the beauty with this strategy is the fact that it actually gives you perfect entries into your trades. So definitely, if you've not been profitable, this is the strategy that you're going to be using. Now, I always aim for a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio, and it always gives me the right entries, and I always get to hit my take profit. So definitely, if you've been looking for that strategy, this is the strategy for you. Now, with this strategy, I like using the 1 hour time frame. So this gives me perfect entries each time I actually place a trade. But of course, this can also work for other time frames. So if you're comfortable maybe with lower time frames, you can go ahead and use this same exact strategy. You will realize in your trading that this will actually give you a 70 to 80% win rate. So definitely, this is one of those that you're going to be using. Maybe the other thing I need to tell you about this strategy is the fact that sometimes you might find yourself actually swing trading on some of your trades, but some of the trades will actually hit their take profits in just one single day. So without further ado, let's get into the game plan or the trading plan for this particular strategy. Now, the first thing that you need to actually recognize, or basically what you need to find out in the market, is the trend of the market. Now, when you look at the chart right here, you can definitely see that this chart actually shows an uptrend. And how I determine this is, number one, by simply saying you can see this this market or this price is basically making higher highs. You can see these are higher highs, and then it is also making higher lows. So you can see this, So basically, this shows it is in an uptrend. And how I like determining this, I at least measure off using this measure tool. I measure off at least the previous 100 bars that the price has been making on the market. So at least 100 bars. These confirm to me the trend of the market. So I'd like to see the previous 100 bars. Are they in an uptrend or they are in a downtrend? So this is how I like doing it. So once I confirm that this is an uptrend, then what I always like doing also is to pull up my indicators. And those that I like using, there's one called liquidity strings. So this basically helps me show the levels where liquidity is resting in the market. So you can see that there's a string level right here. So this string level, it basically means there's some liquidity that is resting here. So I like using these as my reference levels. So since I determined already that this is an uptrend, the next thing I'm going to do is actually determine my liquidity or swing levels. So this is one of them, since it's an uptrend. So the other thing I'm going to request you to do is actually use another indicator called Smart Money Concepts by Lux Algo. Now, this is one of the best indicators, because it also helps me determine the order blocks in the market or of the market. So let's go ahead, turn that on. So you can see there's an order block right here, and then another order block right here. So then what I always go ahead and do is use my Fibonacci tool that will enable me determine exactly my levels in the market, because I always prefer trading from the 0.62 level, because this is usually where the market turns to the other side. But if you want to be a bit more conservative, you can always wait for price to reach the very, very discount level in this case of an uptrend. So let's go ahead, pull up the Fibonacci tool on this particular chart. So you can see this is my level. This is my swing level. I will come from here to roughly about here. Okay, so let's try and play price. Let's see how this goes. So now for the entry, guys, remember I told you, you can see right here, our price is actually going to respect. Let's see how this continues. The order block is just around this between this 0.62 and 0.705 level. So what I told you, you can actually even put in, you can put your order right here on this order block, and then probably go for you can go for a 30 you can go for a 30 pip stop loss, and then put your take profit right at the 0 level, which is just right here. So let's go ahead and continue playing price and see how this stands out. So let's see what happens to this price. Okay, so we are entered into the trade right there. So you can see this is how price is playing out. And as you see right now, it's almost hitting our TP. Boom, it has just hit our take profit. So from right there, you can be able to actually take your profit from there, or else for those people that are a bit more greedy, you can keep trailing this. And guys, check out, this has given us a 4.99, or you could say a 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. So definitely this is going to be one of those game changers, guys. If you go ahead and use this particular strategy, you're always going to win your trade. So this is one of those that I would highly recommend you actually start using. You can go ahead and trail this take profit. I mean, keep adding onto your position so that you're able to actually hit even higher gains on this particular trade. So in case of any questions about this strategy or any other Forex related questions, please go ahead, leave those questions down in the comment section. I'll be gladly replying you back. And if you found some value from this video, please go ahead, give it a like, and also share it with a friend that is struggling in their trading journey. For more Forex related content, check out this next video on your screen.